You are cordially invited to Travina's Boots and Bling 50th birthday bash. Let's get into it. So guys, we decided to do this party, in the 11th hour. Found the perfect location. It's a bar and grill. It hosts a on-site DJ as well as food and drink. So that was the perfect setup for this extravaganza. So for decor, guys, I went with different shades of blue, navy, and dusty blue, layered on top of a crisp, clean white, and a little bit of bling for an accent to tie in with the theme. And as you can see, it came together beautifully. Now, of all of the design aspects of this look, the boot centerpieces has to be hands down my favorite. I absolutely love the way they turned out. Now, a few of them did toss all over through commute, but they weren't bad enough for me to even be concerned about, and that they were the perfect addition, and they were definitely a showstopper and conversation piece throughout the evening. Everyone absolutely loved the idea, so it went over well. It was a definite 10 out of 10 in design world. So here you see we are literally down to the wire. Ananda is on camera duty. My daughter Aukina, myself, and my love are cleaning up the final little pieces so that we can get out and get dressed and come back and enjoy the said festivities. So I'll let you do a overall tour of the final design aspect, and then we'll hop right back in with the boots and blinging of it all.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm janked up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rockin' with me when I couldn't stay afloat.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell him give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on that leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the core. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other.
So as you can see, the stage was set for a Boots and Bling royalty. I absolutely love the end result. I felt like my guests would be wild and definitely set the vibe for a whole lot of stepping and carrying on. So without any further ado, introducing the queen. So as you can see, we had an amazing time. The room was packed full of love, joy, and fun. I danced till I couldn't dance anymore. So I'm sharing with you through photo just some highlights of the evening. There was so much going on, so much joy and entertainment that I could not capture it all, but hopefully you all enjoy these highlighted images from the evening. Y'all know who that is. That's Mr. Roy T himself, honey. My man, my man, my man. I love me some Mr. Royal. Here is my firstborn, aka my daughter, Miss Keena, in her cowboy Keena sass. I thought that was so cute. Now this one has loved the camera since she knew what a camera was. Her favorite little thing to say as a youngest 2-year-old was, "Picture me, mommy." Anytime she saw a camera, she wants you to picture her. So, and she is very, very photogenic, just as beautiful as she wants to be. Now, I'm not just saying it because she's my baby girl, but it's the truth. Ain't she cute? Now look at the bonus that God gave you. Look at my beautiful babies. Miss Haley, Indy, and Ananda. I was just so thrilled to see them because we weren't sure if they were going to make it, but they surprised me and showed up. I was so happy to have them be a part of my celebration for the evening. Just gorgeous girls. God blessed us tremendously with these babies. We have an engineer. We have algebra teacher. We have a computer analyst, and I'm just going to say Miss Ananda is a production manager because she is A1 when it comes to this camera as of late. And then, of course, we let the Kings join us. Mr. Royal and my son-in-law, Chandra, joined in for a few pictures. So I just feel so blessed in that moment to have my family there again with me. Now, this one here, this is Pops. 72 where, y'all. This is my dad. You can't tell him he wasn't the flyest thing in the room. And that's my Aunt Pat, along with my dad, me and Aunt Pat. I just love her so much. My sister Tasha showed up to celebrate and love on me, and I was just so thrilled to have her in the building. She's absolutely gorgeous. Is she not? Can you say curved and dangerous? Then this is my Aunt Linda. She is the other half to Uncle Billy. He was so turned up. That's Uncle Billy. Love him down. Again, he understood the assignment and he did what he came to do. So she joined us for pictures. Just looking over these guys, I'm so ecstatic at the way they loved on me. This is Kina and Robin, one of my oldest and dearest clients. Miss Rhonda here. They just really showed out for your girl. This is Sam and Jordy, our neighbors and friends. This is my girl, Shawana, my cousin. Her and Kina posed for a bit. These are our couple friends, Sam and Jordy. They are neighbors and dear friends. So I was just so happy to have them in the building, guys. There is a group of us couples, and when we get together, oh, it's a time, as you can see. So we have recently done a cabins trip. We've been talking about doing some other getaway trips where we often get together, do dinner, just do couples things, and just have a really good time. It's just a big group of positive energy, and I am here for that. As you can see, honey, Sam was ready to turn up, so we just was getting a few pictures in, and then we had Patrick and Felicia join us. That's my husband's first cousin, well, now my first cousin / sister and brother. Love them so much. They came in from St. Louis to celebrate, guys. People came from far and near, and I was so blessed in that moment. Here are my cousins. Love them. Crystal, we call them Shank. Mika and Tasha came out to love on me, and I was here for all of the love. I just took in that moment, guys, and was just so thankful that they all took time out of their day to come and celebrate and love on little old me. Now this one here, baby, we go all the way back, like way back. This is my oldest, dearest friend of all time. This is me and my love with my cousin Shank. His name is Curtis, but he's gonna kill me for calling him his nickname, but he probably won't watch the video, so y'all don't tell him. But love him. And now this girl right here is the cake connoisseur. She's responsible for the beautiful cake and the treats that you saw. This is us with our Aunt Pat, showing off our boots. Now my Aunt Pat, baby, she's 70 plus, but she rocks some heels. These are more cousins on my dad's side. Love them. Torrance and Tyra joined in on the pictures with Shawana, Shale, and brother Jeremy. Jeremy is a good time, as you can see over in this right corner. Oh, it's always a good time when he shows up. So those are my first cousins, and I was, again, so glad that they all came out to love on little old me. Again, y'all, we put this together in less than, I'm gonna give it 30 days, but we made it happen, along with 3 other events being scheduled at the same time. Now this group right here, these are some of my bridesmaids. These girls show up for me whenever, whether it's a high, a low, whatever the case may be. All I have to do is give a call, and I know these queens are going to come. So I am so thankful for them. I have a couple other queens that couldn't make it, but they were there in spirit. They sent their love, they sent their gifts, and that was all I needed. But Felicia, Shakita, Kashanta, Shawana, I love y'all real big. Thank you for always showing up for me. And because you show up for me, you best believe I'm going to show up for you. But they are always there, and I love them so much. I don't want to get choked up, but just looking at the pictures, going back over the moments of that evening, it just felt so good, so good. And everyone deserves to feel love and be loved. So it doesn't cost you anything to just give love. So celebrate someone, no matter what the occasion. Celebrate them, love them, tell them how you feel about them, because tomorrow is not promised. Now these two queens right here, I call them Dots girls. They're both of my two of my clients, but their mother was a hairstylist in my salon years ago, and they are just as beautiful as she was, full of life. And I was so glad that they came out to share with me. Thanks, Terry and Mickey. More pictures of me and my pretty girls. I'm gonna shout it to the rooftop, honey. I got some of the prettiest queens this side of heaven, honey. They are gorgeous. They are intelligent. They are accomplished women of integrity, and I'm happy to have them as mine. And this is Robin. Robin is one of my oldest and dearest clients. She quickly went from a client to a friend to now like a sister. She has shown up for every moment of my life, and I'm so thankful for her. And she blessed me with a little bonus nephew, Mr. River. I love him so, so much. And this is my girl, Moni. Moni and I are from the same town. Moni is also a hair client. I'm class of 93, she's class of 92, but don't we look good, girl? Moni is wearing this outfit, girl. Go, Moni. She's probably going to watch, so go, Moni. And she and my sister Tasha have been dear, dear friends for decades, and so it was just good to have them to come out together and celebrate with your girl. Again, it was all about just celebrating and loving, not just them loving on me, but just I was enjoying and appreciating them for just showing up and being as fabulous as they were. As you can see, everybody was dressed for the occasion. Now, Miss Felicia, over here to the left, chick played no games. That outfit is mad crazy. The vibe was on 10. And Shakita is one of the most sophisticated queens I know. I love her, love her, love her. We're first cousins, but we're more like sisters. I can call on her for any word of wisdom and encouragement, and she's going to be right there to give it to me. I love her. And this is my bonus cousin. This is her king, Kenny, and we love him just as much. And look at my sweet baby, Ananda. We had to have our own little moment because this baby, again, was a much needed, unexpected blessing in my life, and I thank God for her. So we had to have our little moment and let her rock her boots. Our couple friend with Jordy and Sam, Miss Rhonda. And just closing it out, guys. Just a few little clips to share with you, everyone that, well, I don't even know if I got everyone. I hope I got everyone, but if not, y'all, I hope you can feel the love that I felt in that moment. Here are just a few highlights that different ones captured of me walking in. I thought it just spoke volumes as to what I was feeling in that moment. I was on a high. I was just thrilled to be here. 50 fabulous years, and I'm believing God for 50 fabulous more. I did 50 my way, and I hope you do your milestones your way. So to you all, I'm going to say cheers to 50 fabulous years. I hope you all enjoyed this little glimpse of that evening, and I want you all to click the notification bells, hit them twice, because there is even more content to come. Summer styling is coming up, but I wanted to just pause for the cause and share with you the momentous moments of my life. Until you click on again, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal. And until we meet up for more royal shenanigans, have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll see you kings and queens in the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at the House of Royalty on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.